yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life Millwife and Cooking with Kelly. That could be
Caroline.
Yeah, Caroline's with me. No, I love to cook. I'm not a baker. That's my big thing. I'm not a baker. However, when there's only 4 ingredients,
I think we can handle it.
I think we can handle it. Yeah. So, well, you've seen me make some other cookies and stuff too. But anyway, my big thing is I don't enjoy baking by myself. I love it when somebody's with me and we're gabbing, and that's when I like it. So, the ingredients. Cream cheese. You're supposed to have 1 cup. I only have 3/4 of a cup. But we're going to make do. So hopefully it still works. 2 eggs. Some cocoa powder. And I'm going to use some monk fruit. So that is all the ingredients.
I'm just going to turn my camera on. All right. Kelly just did her intro.
Yeah, so I'm going to point you down a little bit and show you what we're doing.
I can't point my guys down.
That's okay.
I don't have my tripod with me, so
Oh.
you guys are braced.
So first things first. Oh,
Eggs out of here.
I've got the oven preheated to 340. I'm gonna put cream cheese. And I'm wondering if having a little bit less cream cheese if we only need 1 egg.
We're only a quarter
Yeah.
short. I would just continue with it because it's a cheesecake.
It is a cheese.
So I think we'll do the 2 eggs.
Okay. Let's do that.
And Kelly is putting it all in a blender.
Okay, I gotta get this raw egg off my hand.
So we're basically just throwing everything into the blender. But we didn't take out measuring
They're right in front of you in that little drawer.
right in front of me.
Yeah.
So we need, what do we need?
We need a tablespoon.
Oh, we need your tablespoons.
Mm-hmm.
Do you pop them off this or just use it?
I'll just use it.
Do you know I have metal ones and I have a 2 tablespoon?
I've seen those. Okay, so we're putting 2 tablespoons, and I am being generous, a little bit over.
I'm afraid to move you guys.
Yes, you might fall.
And
then-
here's the blender.
It says 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Try to decide how much I really want to use.
Well,
Here's another tablespoon Liz, instead of
Yeah,
putting
yeah,
cocoa
yeah.
in my. Well, it's cream cheese. It's cheesecake. It's supposed to be sweet.
that's right.
So we're gonna put 2.
Why not? This will be dessert for tonight.
Yes, it will. We'll have to bring them along and show them what we're cooking for supper tonight too.
Right.
Okay, that is it.
I was going to go home, but apparently I have to stay for dinner, and then I can go home.
Yes, you can. Okay, we are going to blend.
Gotta cut that part out.
Oh yeah. Gotta get a spoon to shove that down.
I'm going to take a picture of this after. Yeah, probably should have chunked it, cut it in little chunks. Until creamy.
It doesn't seem to make very much. No, it was just those ingredients. Let's let's get a smaller container.
All right, it's all mixed up. So it just said to blend it in. Oh yeah, it looks good. To blend it in the blender. I would maybe scrape the sides down.
Yeah.
Delete.
Gonna switch out my container.
Yeah, it's not gonna make very much, so smaller dish it is. Oh, my Miss Rosie is awake. Look at that. Oh, they can't see.
Yeah,
They can.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right,
All right.
I'll leave that in there in case you want to spoon it out.
Okay, so let's unplug. We're gonna put it in this baking dish.
Got a spatula, or that's good.
There's some behind me.
In a drawer?
No, on the counter,
On the
beside the
counter.
stove.
Beside the stove. Oh yes. Want a big one?
I know what we can do.
What? Here you go.
Let's mix some sugar-free chocolate chips in it.
Ooh,
They're in the freezer right there.
In the freezer?
Yep.
Oh, like up
No,
here?
no, right in the front,
Right in the front.
right there.
These?
Yep. As a matter of fact, all those different chocolate chips.
I
and
found them.
yes, it's sugar-free chocolate
chips.
chips. Matter of fact, all the ones that are in the freezer,
Yeah.
you can take them home and use them.
Well, you're not going to use them?
No, because they all have sugar in them.
Oh, okay. I'll take them. I can't wait to bake.
Okay,
Future baking videos coming up.
can I get you just to hold
I'm
that
coming,
for a sec?
Rosie.
Let's see. I'm going to, there wasn't very much left.
No.
You just give it a
I'll
little,
just show you guys.
yeah.
Whoa, before I drop you.
I just stirred in some sugar-free chocolate
That's what it
chips.
looks like.
And it says to cook it for 25 to 30 minutes. So we'll
Yes.
see what happens. We'll clean this up and we'll bring you back for a taste test after supper.
Sounds good.
All right, the cheesecake is out.
Sorry.
Looks quite yummy. We'll see after supper what we think of it.
Okay. So Kelly's just getting, she says supper, I call it dinner
I know,
ready.
right?
Us British call it dinner.
Yep. And I have some diced up celery, onions, and pepper, ground beef, and we're gonna spruce that up with, I don't know, whatever I feel like putting in it. Let's see what we got up here.
Some spices.
I got some garlic plus. Put a little bit of that. Keep that out for our garlic bread. And then I've got roasted garlic and peppers. And do that, a little bit of that. And that'll probably be about it because we're going to add a can of, we're just going to add a can of the Manwich Sloppy Joes.
Okay.
Yeah. And we're going to make some garlic toast on the sprouted bread.
Oh, yes.
I gotta get some more
That
actually
bread
out of the
is
freezer.
really good.
This bread is delicious. And yeah,
That's the packaging.
yeah.
Yeah.
The only time that I ever use white bread is when I'm making stuffing for a turkey. That's the only time,
Yeah.
you know, and we used to do rye bread and we switched to this. It's delicious.
Yes. Kelly's got her camera going too.
That's why I'm talking to both.
Yes.
Anyways, all right. We're going to get this fried up and
And that's a pretty handy little tray to hold the bigger
Yeah.
spice things that you get from Costco.
I
like it.
I can't remember if it's Dollar Tree or Dollarama.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But we've also got the one like that style.
Yeah, she's got a shorter one for the little guys, but
Yeah.
I really like
And
that one.
Sorry, the arm. And then I've got those ones for
Yeah,
those.
I have ones like that.
Yeah.
Let's just show her cupboards.
Oh, jeepers.
Spices galore.
Yeah. Let's not show my pantry.
Yeah.
It's not organized
This
yet.
one's really nice.
So,
Yeah. All right.
All right, we'll be back. So here's the hamburger mixture, and I'm just letting it simmer away a little bit. And then we've got some garlic toast in the oven. So I'll bring you over to the counter when we'll assemble this. Put the same seasonings on the garlic bread. I just buttered it and put the garlic plus and the garlic and roasted red peppers.
So there's the bread out. She put some spices on it and some garlic. And you're just going to slop that, as it's called, onto the bread.
Well, we don't eat like hamburger buns and stuff like that anymore.
Yeah.
So I tend to just use the low carb breads or the low carb wraps.
Yeah.
So. And then we'll top them with cheese and put them in the oven.
Yes.
And then I guess we'll meet everybody over at the table.
Yeah, let me get that cheese ready for you. I just have to go like this. Shake it out. Should be enough, I think.
Oh yeah. That's plenty. We'll just
More than enough. Isn't it, Brody? Brody says, keep some for me. I see you.
He's like, I'm checking yous out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's lots.
Okay. We're just gonna put these in the oven long enough to melt the cheese and we'll meet you at the table. Here's supper. Or as the British say, dinner.
Dinner.
Caroline says dinner, I say supper.
Yeah.
Well, that's funny
You
because
Canadians.
some people call lunch dinner.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
The British do that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. We'll be back for dessert. Okay, so there's the cheesecake. Kevin is not a cheesecake lover, but you do like that turtle cheesecake.
Yeah, because the flavors in it kind of cover up the cheese.
Turtle
Well,
flavor.
this is chocolate, and we also added some chocolate chips.
Okay.
So it's the right consistency. Look
Good.
at it.
Yes,
Yeah, look
it
at that.
is. Yep.
Yeah. We'll just give him a little bite for now, and then he can
Well,
have
he's
more.
getting okay.
Well, he'll get more, but I'm just... Okay, I'll let you cut as much as you would like.
You can cut a square off for me.
Okay.
I'm holding the camera.
Okay.
It's okay, but you need more sweetener.
Oh, really?
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, we put
Oh, we put what it asked for.
No.
He says no.
You should have used stevia or something.
Oh,
we used monk fruit.
try it.
I know what you used, because I put it away.
It's your sweet tooth.
Yeah, it is. I'm sorry, but it's not.
It's his sweet tooth.
I like it.
Me too.
Mm-hmm.
I find it bland.
Mm-mm. It's very good.
Mm-hmm.
We'll enjoy it then.
All right. Thanks for joining us on our cooking day. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Yesterday there was sun.